Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, reach down, pull the release. Located far down here by your left foot where it would rest. Pull it open, release the secondary latch, just push up on it, lift it up, put this down for a second. The hood has two positions, normal position, and then if you open it further, there is a second service position here. I'll put it there for now. Remove the 8 push clips from the upper grille cover. Just start on one side, pry it up with a small plastic screwdriver, pry it up with a small flat bladed screwdriver. Pry up in the middle, it unlocks the clip. You can pry up on the outside to unlock it. You may need to get a trim clip tool that can help to unlock it. Pull it right out. Just repeat that for all of them. The last one here. Pull this cover off. It slides behind the grill, just lift it up. Slide it out from the chrome grill and from underneath the fenders. Slide it off of the safety lock and put it aside. I'm going to lift the vehicle up to get to the clips under the bumper. You could do this with the vehicle on the ground, but in order to show you, we're going to put it up in the lift so it's easier to see. On both sides of the car, there's a Phillips head screw up in this recessed opening. We're going to remove that. I'll repeat that for the other side. There are 10 push clips on the front edge of the bumper. These are removed just like the ones up top. Use a small flat bladed screwdriver. Push out the middle. And pry them out of the bumper. They get filled up with dirt. Sometimes they're hard to unlock. Just pry them open with a small flat bladed screwdriver, then get the trim clip tool in there. Kind of work them open. Work along the edge, find all the clips, pull them out. They might break. You might have to replace them. They get brittle with age. Front bumper is sitting on 2 pins on either side. Just kind of pop it up like that. And over here, that's the front. Now it'll come to one side and pull it straight out. It's gonna sound like it's breaking, but you're just pulling it off of the clips. Just work it down around the headlight. Sure it's off of that pin, doesn't pop back on. Do the same for the other side. Give it a bit of a swift tug. And now I'm going to get off those pins, support it, and pull it up straight off of the vehicle. To remove the grille, we're on the inside of the bumper. There's 4 plastic push clips. We're kind of on the underside here. Took a small flat bladed screwdriver, pry them up to open them. A lot of times they just break. They get jammed up with dirt. You'll have to replace them. Those push clips removed. There are 2 tabs on both sides. I'm going to push them up, unlock them. Do the same for this side. These are just in there, they kind of stick to the bumper cover. Just kind of push it down, pop it out. Same on this side. And there is our grill. flip the grill correct way. This lip here, I'm going to slide under this lip that's in the bumper. I'll roll the bumper over. Push some new clips in. Make sure that it snaps in place over here. The grill is installed. We'll reinstall the bumper. Go straight on with it. Does have some pins right here that it's going to sit on both sides. Helps keep it from falling off. Get the bumper lined up in the brackets. Push it right in, snap it in place. Do the same for both sides. Okay. I'm going to push the fender liner up in behind the bumper, just like that. Install this Phillips head screw so the bumper doesn't fall off while I put the push clips back in. Let it get tight, I'll just stop. Do the same for this side. I'm going to go along the bumper now and reinstall all the push clips I removed. Push them back into place. If you have broken ones, you can replace them. Put the last one in. Now reinstall this upper cover. Over the little rubber bumpers. Then this part goes behind the grill. You kind of have to bend it, flex it. Slides in like that. Do the same for both sides. Replace all the push clips. Put push clips in. Put the hood down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.